So hey everyone, so in today's GFG POTD, we have a problem root to leaf path sum. So as the question given here, given a binary tree and an integer target, check whether there is a root to leaf path with its sum as target. So basically as the question given here, we have like an integer target and we need to check whether there is a root to leaf path with its sum as target. So we have to check the target and we need to check the root to leaf path, that whether they are having the same or like equal or not. So for this thing, like if I'm saying that this example tree is equal to 1 and target is equal to 2, so is there any way by which the root to leaf path will be equal to like target value? So here we don't get any value which is like equal to target value, so here we have to return false. But here if we are talking about like if we are actually traversing from root to leaf node, so while traversing this we got the target value also as the sum of the root node and the leaf node. Like if you are traversing from 1 to 2, we are actually not getting the target as 4, but if you are traversing from 1 to 3, we are actually getting the target value as 4, so we have to return true. So we need to solve these questions with an expected time complexity of order of n and expected auxiliary space of order of height of the tree. And this is like one of the important question which is like asked in multiple companies also, like Ecolite, Amazon, Microsoft, Samsung, FactSet, Housing.com, Oracle, Goldman Sachs, Adobe, Coupon Dunia, Atlassian. So it is like one of the most important question, and it is like simple question. It is easy level problems which is completely depend on tree and data structure. So for solving this problem, first of all we are checking for the like base case. Okay, we are actually going to solve this problem by using recursion. So first of all I'm giving the like base case. If root is equal to null, that means if our root is null, that means nothing is actually, so we have to simply return false. All right, now if let's suppose if there in some condition, like if there will be root but there will be like no leaf node, then what we have to do? So here we have to do for the leaf node also, like if I'm saying if root left if root left is not equal to null, or if we can say that if root left is equal to null, and similarly we have to also check it for the right leaf node. So if root right is equal to null, let's say if both are like null, and let's say if I'm saying that if my root node, let's say if these two leaf nodes are like null, and if this root node is like equal to the target node, then we can say that this is like we have to return true, right? Because it is having like root to leaf path sum. If we don't have like leaf path, then we need to return here, like here we are, like here I've done basically. So and here I have to give some more one more condition. That means if I'm saying that if I'm returning target minus root data, then I need to return true. Like as I'm explaining here, if we don't, let's say if I don't have this leaf nodes, but if the target node is like, if the target value is equal to the root node, then we can simply take value as true. Okay, and like if root left is equal to null, and root right is equal to null, and here I'm giving the condition as like if target value minus root data are like not equal to 0, then we need to return false. Here I don't have given the condition that root, if like if target minus root data is equal to 0, then it will be like true, otherwise like false. We can say that. Now we need to simply solve this problem using recursive. So here I am going to take a recursive call. So as sum, and here the first data will be like node pointer node root. So here I'm going to define for the first of all, here I have to check it for the left node. Okay, so root left, if root left is like equal to, if root left is equal to 0, and target, okay, so here I need to check only for this thing. I don't have to give condition. If root left and sorry, I need to check for the target value, so I have to simply turn target minus root data. You have to simply subtract target minus root data, and I have to do for the right node also. So for that, again recursive call as path sum root right node, and we need to subtract target value target roots data. Now let's try to compile and run. So it's correct. Let's try to submit it. So yeah, that's all for the today. Thanks for watching.